don't forget to subscribe this channel. So what we're going to see today is an unboxing video of this BOAT AirDOPES 138. So in this video we're going to see the specifications, features and many more. So let's open it. Before that, I want to say one thing, that this is not a promotional video. This video is to cover our risk. So actually this is a Bluetooth AirDOPES. Most of them knows that now the online classes are going simultaneously. Today I have bought this, so we are going to see the unboxing video. So let's begin. So actually this AirDOPES box comes with power bank. Inside this power bank, inside this there will be two AirDOPES. Then in this box, what is this we are going to see. So guys, in this box, it's here only. Wait a minute. While unbox this box, there will be a seal. We need to first break that. I will show. See, we need to tear that. See, it's a board like thing, right? So we need to take that. Then our AirDOPES. This is our power bank, we will say. Inside this there will be our two headsets. So this is left side and this is right side. So in this box, what they are giving is the power bank and headset. Then in this box, what there is a charger. I will show. So there is a charger. So only they are giving only the USB cables, not the USB. We need to use USBs for this. Then this is a material like a rubber thing, and here is our other bots products. So here is our crickets like this. What are this? Cricket MI official partner, KKR, then Delhi Captains, then like this many, and CSK official or audio partner. So this about this and all. Here at the back side of this are the other products, except this AirDOPES. There are other products like radio, then party speakers, then home audio, then many other headsets. So that are given in this So actually these headsets are designed like InstaWave N pair technology. Okay, we will call this as IWP, and the model is sleek and ergonomically designed. It's a sleek, that means sleek and ergonomically designed. So if you want to put, means this is left, means you should put in left, this is right, means you should put in right. So where is the mic means I will show. So here the one light is blinking right here, this hole. This is called mic, and this is the first speaker, and second speaker is here. So like this also here. Okay, so this here is a button in this board. The board symbol is there, right? So this is a button actually. So this button has many functions. If you press 3 seconds, it will go to one command. Then if you press this 1 second, it will go to another command. Like that, many commands are. So before pressing this, please see the frequently asked questions and the user manual card, because there will be factory reset and many things. So don't play with this button unnecessarily. This is my kind note. So we are going to see that how it is working. Okay, I'm going to put this headset, connect with my phone. This I'm using phone to take this video. So I will connect with my phone and I will see how it is. Okay, let's connect. I will connect and show to you. You can comment how the sound quality is by commenting in our comment box. So if you want to buy this product, it's available in many sites. So in description there will be a link. So you can press, if you want, you can buy this product. So till that, thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe MTT channel, like this video, share, comment this video. So we have already uploaded many videos. Go to our channel and check the videos. Thank you.